Coming up, an early look at new capabilities in Office 365 video, starting with an improved upload experience, like choosing your own thumbnail, support for closed captioning, new offline viewing capabilities, and tracking how well your video is doing with our Analytics Phase 1 offering. Also, if you're an admin, we'll show you how you can recover deleted files for your users. Office 365 Video is your corporate solution for uploading, sharing, and playing back video messages throughout your internet. That's both on-premises and online. As you may have seen on the Office 365 roadmap, we've been working really hard to bring a lot of new features to you so that we can improve your experience as you're working with video files. Let's take a quick tour at some of this new innovation and start with the new improved upload experience. As you see here, now at the very top of the home portal is a unified or universal upload button. And when I click that, it's going to take me then to first ask which channel do I want to go into. So I'm going to choose the HR channel, and I'm going to bring up a set of folders that I have and drag and drop multiple files into the upload experience. Let me minimize this and I'll show you kind of what's new here. At the very top we now have a progress bar across all of those 3 videos that I just started to upload. And then per each video, we have a progress bar for each video. If you look at now here, while they're uploading, I can also now start to edit and adjust the titling. And then once these are finished uploading, it'll automatically save all the titles and all descriptions that I'm putting here. Now that our videos are uploaded, I'm going to start with our first video and actually set a custom thumbnail. By default, we always have one thumbnail that we generate and set by default, and as you see now, the service gives us a number of new thumbnails from across the video that we can set as the new thumbnail. But also we support now custom thumbnailing. So I can upload an image from my desktop, and when I open and upload that, it's going to now upload it into the system and associate it to this particular video, obviously here on the video portal during playback and within the channel, but also if somebody were to embed this video on a team site, you would see this thumbnail. If you saw it come through on a Delve activity feed, it would be represented now with this thumbnail. And also if somebody had embedded in an internal blog post, it would now be represented as you chose. We also now allow you to upload closed captioning files. And as you can see here, as the video starts running, this now has closed captioning files here showing the English subtitles. And I can also switch between Russian, and I can switch between Simple Chinese and any other language file that we've uploaded that's in the web VTT format. So let me show you how that is. While this one's running in the background, I'm going to go in, click Manage, and go into Subtitles or Captions, and I'm going to upload a new file. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the language that this additional file is in. So this one is French. Click Upload. I'm going to grab that web VTT format and open it. Now it's going to associate it in the system as additional metadata or a file association to the video, and now something that I can then choose. So if I go back to the video file, I should now see when I start playing it an additional language that I can then, as an end user, switch to, Français. Alright, so that was a lot about uploading a video and the experience of putting a video into the system. Let's talk about download, taking a video out of the system. One of the new features we have per video is now you can download the video. You'll see a new selection, a new button here to be able to download. You click download, and then it's going to prompt me to then save that file. I can save it locally. Obviously, if I'm connected to a smaller device, I can save it to that device. Once I have it offline, then I'll be able to view it on the local player, or if I'm on my smaller device, I can view it right there on the mobile player. Now let's assume that the video's been in the system for a little while. It's been shared via email through Yammer, and it's been popping up in Delve, and we've been getting a lot of engagement. So as a user, you now want to go to the player page and get statistics or insights in how the video is doing. As I scroll down, you'll see that we have a new statistics area. When I click into it, we're going to get some information first across the last 14 days. And as I hover across, you'll see where we get these spikes on certain days. Maybe that's where you sent an email to the group, or something where you posted to Yammer here. If I wanted to get a different pivot from a monthly perspective, I could see across at least the last 36 months where I had spikes and where I can correlate this to certain events. We also will show you viewer engagement, where you see when people start to watch the video, the majority of the people get through the first part pretty steadily, and then we get a drop-off, as to be expected, especially with longer videos. But here you'll get a nice view on how it's going. And then, of course, at the very top, if you didn't see it, we get overall total views of this video file. So we're really pushing to get an Analytics Phase 1 into view so that you can start getting some rich insights and information about your videos, with a lot of things that we're doing moving into Phase 2 as well. The last thing I want to show you is for admins. You can now support your users who have deleted files and want to recover them from the recycle bin. Once you're in the recycle bin, you select the video that you want to recover, click the Restore Selection button, and right away, that video is going to then be reinserted into the system, re-uploaded into this channel, and prepped for playback for your users. So that was a quick tour of the most recent updates to Office 365 video. And we're always listening. Most of what you saw today was based on user feedback on our user voice page. So if you have a great idea, request it, visit the user voice, and vote it up. You can start using Office 365 video today, and thank you for watching.